Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Chimaro.
Me bra asim Chimaro bolela yiso. Opuleka kemu ya AmaZulu ka 30 December. Ubulije hore. Sundowns will be Bafana. Look at this. You look at the history of soccer.
Yes, sir.
The team tsayang World Cup. The team tsayang Africa Cup of Nations. The team tsabona. Le tsogo kemu ngefeng. Ke team ngefeng. Ke e bontsang hore ke rena bo tsebenke. Confirm hore emanyana prayaga Sundowns ke mutchini wa winning game. You look at Nedbank. We got 8 changes. Look at the playing system. It's only Sundowns which can beat Sundowns. Only Masandawana Nirizurimora Rishota Muketa. But you look at the game. Perfectly so.
Yes, sir.
Monantini Bareng. Nimala Mebra. Total football. Which goal of Sundowns was a shot? It was only total football. Easily so.
Yes, sir.
Me bro.
Yes, sir. Who was the man of the match? Who was the man of the match?
You look at Sundowns. When it comes to man of the match, it's not easy for you to choose that Sundowns. Because your playing system is not like whom or whom. You look at Pangani Sungu. He's been staggering. But the passes he did today, almost 75%, it was to the foot. To the foot. You look at the crosses. Bro, Sundowns. Omongwe, Otolla. Chiefs.
What do you have to say about Chiefs? Is you like a 40?
The material of winning and the material of losing, they are totally different.
And it's one.
You never change the material of losing to be the material of winning.
Never.
Sundowns we change the 8. Chiefs are here, they are main team. Thala Brayaga. Elas losing. Punishment. No, you need to understand the lose with punishment. Chiefs losing copy yourself. The punishment the team is not all about players. It's about management, coaching system, and the playing on your field. So you copy from Sundowns. You look at that. That is why today we say Sundowns will still dominate us from where we started until where we end. And the only Sundowns will stop Sundowns.
Thank you, my brother.